Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm showing you the top 5 best drones to buy on AliExpress in 2026, including options with 8K cameras, GPS navigation, FPV, obstacle avoidance, and brushless motors. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. So, let's get started. Number 1. 2025 V168 Pro Max GPS drone. The V168 Pro Max comes equipped with an 8K professional HD camera, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, GPS navigation, and 360-degree obstacle avoidance. It also features a brushless motor and a large screen remote controller for precise control. This drone delivers high-resolution 8K footage with stable flight performance. The GPS system helps with easy positioning, and obstacle avoidance makes it beginner-friendly. The large screen on the remote is great for live FPV and aerial framing. Pros: ultra-sharp 8K camera, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, GPS for stable flight, large screen remote controller, brushless motor for efficiency. Cons: may be pricier than basic drones. Needs steady hands for advanced shooting. For creators who want top-quality aerial footage with smart features, the V168 Pro Max is a very solid all-around choice. Number 2. New SX1 Max GPS drone. The SX1 Max features a 4K camera mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, GPS, FPV, and a folding design that's perfect for travel. With the 3-axis gimbal, footage stays smooth even in windy conditions. The folding design makes it easy to carry around, and GPS adds reliable navigation. The large screen remote gives clear FPV during flight. Pros: 4K stabilized footage, 3-axis gimbal, folding and portable, GPS for smart flight, great value for performance. Cons: camera is 4K versus 8K on some rivals. Battery life could be longer. If you want cinematic video with portability, the SX1 Max is a superb choice, especially for travel vloggers. Number 3. JHD L200 Pro Max GPS drone. The JHD L200 Pro Max features GPS, a brushed 4K HD camera, 2-axis gimbal stabilization, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, and FPV. This drone gives reliable performance with smooth aerial shots and easy controls. The 360-degree obstacle avoidance is helpful for beginners, and GPS makes automated flight safer. Pros: GPS and obstacle avoidance, 4K HD video, FPV support, easy to fly. Cons: 2-axis gimbal versus 3-axis on competitors, slightly less stable video. A good option for intermediate flyers who want balanced features and easy control without spending too much money. Number 4. K919 Max GPS drone. The K919 Max comes with an 8K HD camera, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, GPS navigation, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, obstacle avoidance, and RC control. The 8K camera paired with a 3-axis gimbal gives outstanding footage quality, while GPS and obstacle sensors keep the drone stable and safe. The remote controller is responsive and ideal for both beginners and pros. Pros: 8K camera quality, 3-axis gimbal, strong GPS navigation, obstacle avoidance, smooth FPV video link. Cons: slightly heavier design, may cost a bit more than simpler models. If professional-grade video is a priority, the K919 Max is one of the best drones on AliExpress in 2026. Number 5. KF102 Max S GPS drone. The KF102 Max S includes an 8K professional camera, 3-axis gimbal, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, GPS, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, and a brushless motor for smooth performance. This drone combines powerful flight performance with crisp 8K aerial footage. The brushless motor helps with longer flight times and efficiency, and GPS plus obstacle avoidance improve safety. Pros:
excellent 8K visuals, brushless motor, GPS and advanced avoidance, strong FPV video link. Cons: battery performance depends on weather conditions. Big design for travel. The KF-102 Max S delivers top-tier visuals plus reliable flight tech, making it a great pick for serious hobbyists and creators. So, that's the top 5 best drones on AliExpress in 2026. Whether you're into cinematic aerial filming, travel content, FPV fun, or beginner flying, there's a great drone on this list for you. All product links are in the description. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and tell me in the comments which drone you'd pick. Thanks for watching. See you next time.